Hello everyone. Welcome to Campus Spotlight, the exclusive radio station of IIT Palakkad. Today we are joined by Ajay, and he is standing for the post of Secretary of Hostel Affairs. So, Ajay, can we have a short introduction?
Yeah, hello friends. I'm Ajay. I'm from third year civil engineering batch, BTech. I am contesting for the post of Secretary of Hostel Affairs in the upcoming cycle elections. You would have received my manifesto. I have previously been working as the batch representative for my batch to 2018. So I felt like I was not able to do some of my work, and which I want to complete it as a hostel secretary now and do something extra.
Okay, sounds good. So, in your manifesto, you have mentioned that you will work on maintenance of the facilities of the hostel. So how do you plan to
Yeah.
update the students on what facilities are being maintained?
Actually, I'm thinking of a report which should be made just on the behalf of the work done in the hostel or the hostel council. Whatever we do, I am planning on sending a report to the students for a specific duration, like 2 months or 1.5 months. Whatever work is done, it would be informed to them.
Also, you will not be present in the Ahalia campus for most of your time remaining here, right? So, how
Yeah,
do you plan to look over the facilities of the Ahalia campus?
we'll be having a joint secretary. Anyhow, we'll be having a joint hostel secretary here too. That is how every time it happens. And I plan on coordinating with him. If I'm not occupied, I would be happy to come here and work for the things here. But there will be frequent interactions through the joint hostel secretary.
Okay, so just a small follow up on that. So, the joint hostel secretary will be from the 20 batch, right? Mostly.
Yeah, twin. Yeah.
So, like, how do you plan on coordinating with the joint second? Because he might not be knowing much about the campus, right? So, how do you plan on
Yeah.
fixing?
In that regard, everything has a beginning tail. So what I feel is initially spend a lot of time interacting with him, introduce him to various aspects within the Ahalya campus, educate him, and make him work effectively for the post.
Okay, that sounds like a good answer. You mentioned that you will be collecting monthly feedback for the mess. So, how do you plan on implementing or fixing the complaints provided in the feedback form?
I'm planning on putting the complete menu in the form itself. Like if they have some issue with some food item, they can just select it, state the reason if they wish to, or suggest some alternative. And we will see it as a complete report. Like it would take a lot of work, but if you do it at least once in a semester, you send some form like that, students will be able to show their options. See, even when they are deciding the menu, it will be difficult for us with very less options because many students won't come out with their options. Only very few would suggest the representatives to, like, we want this instead of this, can you do this? When we do a form like this, everyone will be able to express their opinion. We should create awareness that everyone should fill the form, and it would be taken a survey. And like if many people doesn't want that, or even a good number doesn't want that, then we will choose the alternative.
Okay. So you have also mentioned in your manifesto that you will be planning 2 batch trips, right? So how will you get budget for trips like this?
No, like these are. I have put it like I will be organizing. It will be like students have to pay the amount for the hostel fee.
Okay. Understood.
Like we can make arrangements. Like there is no people to take charge of the activities, right? If someone
Yes.
takes the initiative and plans, the students can come and like there will be many people who will join. Since there is no one to take the initiative, I am thinking like it would be the hostel council would be taking initiative to organize those.
Okay, got it. You mentioned in your manifesto that you plan to implement off-campus restaurants delivery service, right? So how do you plan to
Yeah,
implement
yeah.
that?
Like already we had Domino's, and I don't think you people were there when we had delivery from Rice God. Those things, and we can speak with the people managing there, ask them to request them to have a trial runs initially. Only like practically speaking, if someone has to do something, they should have some profit, right? If they doesn't have it, they won't. So we will run some trial runs from different restaurants and see what works out. But it will be done for both Ahalya and Nila campuses. Like it will be done all over. IIT
Okay,
Palakkad, both the campuses.
okay. Sounds like a good plan. Also, in your
Yeah.
manifesto, you have mentioned that you will have a mutual transportation service set up. Can you please
Yeah,
elaborate on that?
yeah. Thought of explaining this in the MPC, but as it is, as you have put it now, it will be very useful doing here. This mutual transportation services, like for example, Neil, right? Neil, if you have to go to some place like Coimbatore, we don't have shuttles to go to Coimbatore. We have to go to we have shuttles to go to Palakkad.
That's
So when
correct.
you want to go to travel some place like airport or go to Coimbatore, and if you're the only person to go, when you are traveling, you will have a lot of expenditure, like you see cab charges, etc. So you would be like, if you are going out, you will be going at some particular time, say 3 o'clock, and you will have some relaxation time. Like you will be able to wait till 5, or you will be able to leave at 2, somewhat like that. You will have a relaxation period of 3 hours. And if there is some other student who is also traveling to the same place within this duration, you people can go together. But generally, it happens only within batches, not too very less. Like it will be like if your friend is going, you would be traveling. Not even within batches, it won't be that effective. So what this transportation service does is, it will take the inputs, like you fill in it where you're going and what time you will be leaving, till when you can wait, and from what time you can leave. And if there is someone who comes in the same duration to the same place, all over IIT Palakkad, he can also join you in the travel, which reduces your cost. Like if you are going to airport, you say from Ahilya campus it costs 13 to 1400, I guess. So if you go, if there is another person coming with you, you can share the fare rate. So that is the main motto of this. You can coordinate with each other and go, or throughout the IIT Palakkad campus, both researchers, MS, MTech, BTech, everyone.
Okay, I get it. Sounds like a good plan.
Okay.
So I think that's it for the interview, Ajay. Do you have any concluding remarks that you want to tell the audience?
No, nothing specific. I don't have any.
Okay. So thank you, Ajay, for being a part of the show. We wish you best
Yeah.
of luck for the rest of the elections and the campaigning.